Because people are slowly trying to make it hard for me, messing with the light and noise, all kinds of stuff. I'm going to do this in two parts. Let me show you this first. Read it carefully, pause it. I'll read it for you. Organized academic psychiatry has never acknowledged this history. This is a book called The CIA Doctors by a doctor, a psychiatrist who still sees patients, from my understanding, that they try to get me to see, but I don't trust the controlled opposition. On this page, it says all psychiatrists and medical schools are implicated because the network is so extensive. So this is the center of MK Ultra, the center of their research and their study and their movement in Northern California. It's not a coincidence, it's also the center of martial arts, and you need powerful psychology to convince you that I'm not the top martial artist when I have a $100,000 challenge. So it's their psychology versus your innate desire to seek the truth, okay, and common sense here. I go to their studios, I name them. I've named hundreds of their studios in the comments over the years, or I've mentioned them, or at least dozens, excuse me, not hundreds, but dozens, lots of them. The most relevant of them and the ones in the area were specified the most. I have them prank calling me, playing stupid. Across the street, not far away, the 7-Eleven. There was a white-looking guy and a prison gang-looking guy, jiu-jitsu-looking guy. He may be white Brazilian working there. And it's easy to predict that I go here because I've been making videos recently, as you can imagine. And I'm not saying that it is related, but certainly it would suggest that it is. The circumstances and putting things into context would suggest that me coming across this specific individual is a sign that, yes, the jiu-jitsu guys across the street, perhaps, maybe, are involved and are aware. So I've proven that dozens and dozens of martial artists are aware of my challenge, and dozens and dozens of schools. Over 1 million people are aware, and especially the people in the area. And as you can imagine, a place that's 1% black, where Oakland is not far away, none of those Oakland guys can beat me. None of these whites and Hispanics and Asians can beat me. And they're extremely jealous, and it is pitiful. And every once in a while, they overstep their bounds trying to be tough, like trying to run me off the road, and I put them in check. But I do it in a way that's illegal, and you see white people do it to other people all the time, except for expressing my African warrior prowess in a way that is not threatening, not illegally threatening. But they know that if they try to hurt me, they will be hurt. Stay tuned for part 2.